How to clear storage on Android tablets. Hello, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to clear your storage on Android tablets, then here are some few steps you can take. The first thing to do is to check what is using the space on your Android. Just open the Settings app from your tablet and then tap on About Tablet, and inside it, tap on Storage. You'll see a breakdown like apps and data, images, audio, video, APKs, documents, system files, system, etc. This will help you understand what is taking the most space. In my case, it is apps and data, which is taking most of the spaces on my Android tablet. So, apps are often the biggest storage eaters. Go here and get to the left and tap the apps option. And now go ahead and find the apps you don't use anymore. Just click on that. And then click on the uninstall button at the bottom. In the pop-up, click on uninstall once again to delete that app you don't use anymore. If you haven't opened an app in months, it's probably safe to remove it. Another way is to clear out junk files. Go ahead and open up the Cleaner app from your device, and here you'll be able to see all of your cache files, obsolete files, packages, residuals, memory, etc. Just let it run for a bit. And then click on Clean Up at the bottom of the screen to clean out any junk files or cache data. This is the fastest way to free up spaces. Make sure to delete any large photos and videos from your Photos app. Open up your Gallery or your Photos app from your device. And now go to the video or photo you don't want anymore. Press and hold on it. You'll select it and then choose any other photo or video you don't want in your device anymore. Once you do that, tap on the delete option at the bottom right corner and click delete to permanently delete the photo or video. If you still need space, then try uploading your photos to Google Drive or Google Photos. Move the files to SD card if your tablet supports it, and that's it. You'll be able to clean up your Android tablet like a pro. Just make sure to clean out your tablet now and then, because we might be piling our tablet with unnecessary apps you no longer use. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.